Okay.
All right, what's up, y'all? Coach Greg, Place to Play Foundation, also B-Baller Hoops. Today's a big day. I just want to say we're moving forward with our vision with the city of Long Beach, and we got our first great donation from this beautiful company, Biogas Engineering. And I want to say thank you to David, who's coming on into the frame now. David presenting Place to Play, our first large donation, $5,000. Let's go. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate it. Anything you want to say for the city?
No, Biogas is a worldwide company, but we support the Long Beach area. We're very much part of the Long Beach area, and we're always willing to participate.
So I say thanks again. Thanks. This really touches my heart and all my kids and all my parents. Place to Play, we're moving forward, and we just want to say thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
All right.
Take care.
Let's go, y'all.